Hello everyone, I am Sagar.
This is Chaitra.
I heartily welcome all of you to the Volunteer Appreciation Day of the Youth for Seva.
I invite all the dignitaries to light the diyas and inaugurate the function.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Please stand up.
Good evening, fellow volunteers. A very warm welcome to all of you on this Volunteers Appreciation Day of Youth for Seva.
What is Seva? Seva, I think, precisely means giving something to the needy without expecting anything back. And that is Seva.
The last 3 years, from a group of 7 volunteers, that's a group we started with in April 2007, and within 3 years we have more than 1,000 volunteers who contribute on a weekly basis.
They are so sincere, and they would see that whatever thing or whatever work we have given to them, they complete it on time, and even if it is required, they don't only just be in the office hours time, they are working even after the office hours.
इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की जानिब से हमारे गवर्नमेंट उर्दू हायर प्राइमरी स्कूल में स्टूडेंट्स को इंग्लिश लर्निंग में जो प्रॉब्लम था वो इंग्लिश लर्निंग वॉलंटियर्स के जानिब से इंग्लिश स्पोकन कोर्स एक ईजाद किया गया.
I am very thankful to Youth for Seva for helping voluntary organizations like us.
A lot of people have asked me why I decided to come to India and do this sort of work, and honestly I haven't had a reason. I just found out about Youth for Seva through my university, and the second I found out about it, I called my dad and I said, I'm going to India.
For providing such a good support to us so that we are able to reach out to the society, and especially to people and children with disabilities.
ನಾನು ಈ ದಿನ ಸೆರೆಬ್ರಲ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಗುವಿನ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಈ ಮಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಅರಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಮಯ ಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. BA ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬರಹಗಾರರ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. ದೇವರ ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗೆ ದೊರಕಿದ್ದು YFKಯ ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರು. ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ವಾಲಂಟೀರ್ಸ್ನ ನನಗೆ ಸಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಒದಗಿಸಿದ್ರು. ನನ್ನಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮಂಥ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮುಂದುವರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಮಾಜದ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು.
This is the primary reason why, if you observe, in most of the religions, in most of the traditions, and in most of the cultures, Seva has been allocated the central space.
I am not just a techie. I am a techie who contributes to this society in a way which I could, say proudly that, I am doing something, I am contributing to this society.
All over Bangalore, we were going to St. John's, to Apollo Clinic, to Columbia Asia, just everywhere, asking, will you do these free medical checkups, dental, eye checkups in government schools?
So as soon as we get one powerful engine, we can start one train. That's how we have been starting new trains. When Vikshut came, we started the environment train. When Maitreya came, he started the computers for school train. When Sinu came, she took the health department to a new level, a lot of new projects. And not only these full-time fellowship volunteers, even the part-time volunteers, every new school gets added with such an engine.
Especially with Sujan, I would like to say, I think it's very rare to see some of the volunteers who has really taken a major initiative to see that she also builds us some sort of a funding support for Seva in Action, and she on her own took the initiative to get associated with the Sunfeast Marathon.
Someone comes with a passion, someone comes with a vision and says, I want to do this one, can I do in YFS? Like Vikshut came and asked, when he took 1 year sabbatical from Infosys, he asked me, what are the projects you have? I explained to them about all the education projects. But then he said, I'm not interested in education, I want to do something for environment.
This potential of youth which is being developed, or this potential of this talent of youth which is being directed towards that component of the society which requires support, and the youth is learning to not only to take or to receive every time, but also to have a chance to give back to the society in whatever ways and terms they can.
Seva Fellowship is an opportunity for volunteers who can devote full time for at least 3 months. Vikshut Mundkur took sabbatical for a year from Infosys and came to YFS. He initiated the Environment Division at YFS and successfully developed the programs.
My sincere appeal to all the volunteers is become such anchor points, not just bogies, and those who are bogies today become engines. Come up with your own idea, and who knows, in the coming years, depending on the kind of volunteers we get, the passion, the commitment they bring in, I am sure we can reach new heights.
Look into in what way the youth could help that part of the society which requires a lot of support and help. This organization has been doing a tremendous work, especially to tap that resource of youth and show them the other side also of the society.
Friends, I would say, all the young people present here especially, that please continue this good work. Tell more and more of your friends, tell more and more of your relatives or whoever you happen to speak to join this seva.
In this world where humanity has become so rare, where we have scarcity of kindness, loyalty, all such feelings towards other human beings is totally lost. It's amazing to see such a wonderful crowd of dedicated, humble, passionate people who are doing every little thing possible to make this world a better place.
Ultimately, as I said, it has to become a movement. And one simple formula for any public work to be movement is that all have to give some time, some have to give all the time.